another 100 Mondays.
So when Trump first started getting some traction as a candidate for president, all I could think of was this bratty little girl who was in my 5th grade class, bossy little thing. And he was just like her. And except now she had a cell phone, so she could boss people around remotely. Except now she had a cell phone, so she could boss people around remotely. That's where the character of Donella comes from. And it's called Donella Trump and Her People. Typically, an old comic like that would have Jack and friends, but of course, sociopathic narcissists don't have friends, they have people. I'm not a cartoonist, I'm a classically trained painter, but back in the early 90s, I met Jeff McNally and Mike Peters and Jim Davis and a bunch of the other well-known cartoonists. Jeff and I became particularly good friends. He was the funniest guy I ever knew, and sadly he died of lymphoma around the turn of the century. He and I were working on an animated project at the time that died when he died, but I always wanted to be able to be a cartoonist like Jeff, and it's kind of funny because all those cartoonists wanted to paint like me. But to draw Donald, you don't have to have any skill at caricature. He's a caricature of himself, He always looks terrible. He's always screaming at somebody, his hair is always messed up, He's like a camel, To do a cartoon of a camel, all you have to do is draw a camel. So I've got a few of these episodes written up, and with the election coming up, I'm going to get busy on them. So look for the new cartoons, and hope you enjoy them.
like me to take your cup?
Sure. Ooh, looky here. Will someone call Ripley's because this woman is too beautiful to be believed?
Thank you so much. Well, you don't look so bad yourself.
Well, I do what I do. You LT, no Super Bowl hero, not LD porno star.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
You know him?
Unfortunately,
Who is he exactly?
just somebody who destroys everything he touches and never seems to go away.